Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize video uploads in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and our teammates. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the person icon, then tap on preferences. And then we have to scroll down, and in the advanced section, we find optimize video uploads. Now we can turn this on or off by tapping on the little toggle button next to the text. And what it means is that the app is going to optimize how it uses internet connection to upload videos to the channels, thereby minimizing our internet usage. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.